Let's begin by going to till programming and then into screen programming. From here we can begin editing a screen. From the drop-down list we can choose one of our pre-existing screens. In this case we've gone for food. Using the blue select action button we can edit, delete or update the screen name. Let's click edit and begin. Using the bar at the top we can quickly switch between pages. If we click a button we'll get a white border around the outside. This means it's selected and we can begin editing the style. From the Style tab we can choose a background colour. You'll have a slider to choose the base colour, and then you can once again go further and choose the exact shade. You can also change the font size and font colour. Here we change the text colour to black, as well as the text size to 20 to make it bigger. After making any changes, make sure to click apply. By clicking and dragging we can select multiple buttons to edit them all at the same time. In this case we'll use the eyedropper tool as well to choose a colour that's already on the screen. After changing the colour or any other style, make sure to click apply. Using the small arrow located at the bottom right of each button, we can adjust the size to make them smaller or larger. Here we've made it bigger and then shrunk it back down. If we double click a button, we can begin adding a product. Simply search for the name. If a product exists in your database, you'll be able to add it. After searching for the name of a product, make sure to select it from the list, followed by clicking add to button, and this will attach it to the button. If we now go to the button text, we can adjust this. This will update how it appears on the till screen without affecting how it prints to the kitchen or the receipts. If we select both of these buttons, we can now click the clear icon on the right hand side. This will remove both buttons from the till screen. We can now use the Products tab to quickly paste multiple products onto the screen. Here we've highlighted and selected 2 buttons. We're now going to navigate down to the gin subdepartment and select 2 products. We can now use the Apply button, either in alphabetical or product ID order. This will paste the products onto the screen. To create a new screen, simply give it a name and then copy an existing page. In this case we're going to copy the food page. You have the choice to copy functions or copy everything. Normally copying functions is better as it doesn't copy the products from the centre of the screen across, it only copies the functions such as the navigation and the top and bottom bars. If we now edit the new screen, by using the select action button and then edit, you'll notice it looks exactly the same as the food menu but without the products. Here we're going to add a page link to a button. This is done the same way as adding a product. Simply search the name of a page and click add to button. We can now copy this button to be in the same location on every page. Here we're using the copy function but deselecting the pages we don't want it to go to. We can now check the screens. For example, the wine screen has a link, and so does the spirits screen. If we go to the payment screen, you'll notice it hasn't copied across. This is because we deselected it. Lastly, let's look at copying a button. Simply highlight the button, click the copy button, and then choose a destination. Finally, click paste, and this will copy the button across, including the colours.